friends and neighbors, they asked me some questions because I'm so old. And I said, well, there's nobody left now that I grew up with, so they don't know whether I'm lying or not, so I can tell them anything I want.
65.
It's a 64 model tractor.
We thought it was 64, but we weren't sure
Yeah,
what year you bought it.
Well, it was in the spring of '65. I think the dealer had it left over from the year before, but he called me and wanted to know if he could come down and see me, and he knew I was thinking about a diesel, but when he came driving in with this tractor and the 5-bottom plow behind it, and I tried it out, and he offered me a deal that I didn't think I could turn down, really. And we made it. It's a few things. It was tricycle when I bought it.
Narrow front.
And the narrow front. And it had the crown fenders on it instead of...
And what did you move from?
Well, I had an H Farmall at the time, and a Super C.
Okay.
But I didn't trade any for this one. No, I kept my H.
Yeah. And what did Dad think of this purchase?
Well, it was a while before he drove it, but he always liked the Super C. And when he drove this one after a little bit, he said, "I can't believe it. That tractor is easier with all that power, and it's easier to drive than the Super C." Was the way he put it.